Oh, yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. Today, I'm going to make the most awesome shrimp and crawfish gravy you've ever eaten. Now, you can eat these on potatoes, smothered potatoes, baked potatoes, or you can just serve it over rice with a little side order of corn. But let me tell you what, it's all good on the Bayou, Shay. Follow along with me, and I'll show you what we're going to do. Today, I got a pot. I picked me up an extra pot up here at one of the supply houses, which I'm going to try out and see how it works out. And yeah, you're the first one to see it. And while I was out there, I picked up a pair of these, because I need these terribly. These geecomb silicone gloves, perfect for grilling and cooking, either outside or inside. They're good for 500 degrees, and that's what I need, because I'm always tearing my hands up, Chad, with this hot stuff. Anyway, I'll be using these today to handle what I gotta handle. I say geecomb. That's what they look like. Geecomb, and they make them in red or black. I decided to get the black ones. I never buy anything for me. Anyway, I decided to do that, and I'm proud of it. But right now, let's get to cooking on the road, Chad. Now, you're going to hear birds. You're going to hear helicopters. You're going to hear airplanes. You might even see somebody come walk through the yard. You might see a stray dog run around here. But hey, guess what? It's all good on the Bayou, Chad. So let's get going, okay? This gravy, you're going to love it. Your family going to love it. The youngsters especially going to love it. Hey, check it out, huh? That's my new ones here. I'm loving them. All right, I'm going to move you. So just stand still. See what we got. Oh, yeah, I want to get a little close. I can hear a crow going on right now. I got some pet crows out here. They just love to come to the place there. That's Miss Shirley's pet crows. Oh, yeah, that's perfect right there, I believe. I like that. Oh, yeah, I'm going to kind of get a little close there so you don't see just my belly. Yeah, I think that's going to work. We'll work it like that. All right, let's get started, Shay. Yes, indeed. Got my directions right here. Take my lid off. Oh, yeah. There's a few things you're going to need, but as we go along, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okie dokie. Man, let me get out of here. I've got to go pick up my shrimp and crawfish. Be right back. All right, first thing I want to do, I've got a pound of crawfish tails, as you can see right here. 1 whole pound. And a pound of beautiful shrimp. Beautiful, beautiful shrimp. Now, I want to put a stick of butter in there. Let it start melting. Hold on, lid paper. Don't go crazy on me now. Fix my lid paper here so it don't go blow away. I need that. Know what I mean? Yeah. All right. Get that butter melted. Got all kinds of goodies here. Using my little propane stove right now. This pot, I believe, is going to work out just fine for me. Drop in a cup of chopped onions. And I'm going to throw in a little bit of celery here. I've got 2 stalks of celery. And I've got just a little bit, that little red stuff you see in there, that's some bell pepper, a little dried bell pepper. There you go. Let it do its thing. I need this a little bit sauteed. Yeah, my celery's cooking down in there with them onions. Right now I've got some red and green bell pepper I'm going to put in there. Get in there, baby. By the time you saute it, it's all good, Che. I'm going to let that cook down just a little bit. Ooh, yeah, it feels good not to be getting all burnt up. Good gloves, good gloves. Oh, that's sauteing good, Chad. Actually starting to smell pretty good. Right? Hold that brewski pretty good too. Shoot, yeah. All right, put a 1/4 cup of light roux. Now I'm using powdered roux. And a 1/2 cup tomato paste. Right now I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Four cups of water, baby. 4 cups. Hot dang. One quart of water. Get it off the bottom. Make sure you get it off the bottom. Look how pretty that's getting right there, huh? And I'm going to let it cook. Put that on till I see a little steam coming out of there, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, she's cooking good, baby. She's cooking good. Excellent. One thing I want to add to that is a small tomato, or medium size, chopped. And this one here come out of my garden. This is the perfect crawfish and shrimp gravy. Most perfect you will ever make. I guarantee you. Right now I need some garlic powder. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of garlic powder in there. Now the flavor is gonna start coming out. Really coming out. I need chili powder, but I don't need a whole lot. All I need is 1/4 of a teaspoon. Tell you what, let's do a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Right there. You're not making chili, but you want that little flavor it's got. 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed. Yeah. I need some thyme. A little thyme, about 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Love my thyme. How about that? Just 1/4 teaspoon. That's all I want. It's just gonna give it a little bit more flavor. That's it. Yes, indeed. And me, I like mine a little spicy, so I've got me some Tony Chachere's bowl that I'm putting in there. Now, I'm not going to put a whole bunch, but I am going to put some. I got a 1/2 teaspoon right there. Tony Chachere's bowl. And if old John would be here, John would say, wait a minute, man. We need some paprika. Paprika for essence. So this is for you, John. 1 teaspoon of paprika. It's on you, my man. Go ahead, time, John. And one thing I really like is tomato bouillon. This I love. And I'm going to put a teaspoon of tomato bouillon in there. Ooh, if you could smell that right now, Sherry. Dang. And I gotta have a little salt. Not much. Maybe 1/2 teaspoon or something like somewhere in that range. Now I'm gonna put a little parsley. Got 3 sprigs, which I figure is gonna be equal to 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. Parsley flakes. Oh yeah. Everything just roaring right along. Ooh, baby. Now, I'm gonna put, I've got, geez, a bunch of green onions, the whole cup full, but I'm gonna just put a few in there for right now. We'll put the rest later. And naturally, you know me, I've gotta have a bay leaf. Now, I dried these myself. They come right off my personal plant. Now, what I'm going to do, take some of these shrimp, oh, maybe about 10 of them, put them in and just let them cook to get some flavor in that pot. We're going to do the rest of the shrimp later. And I want to put some crawfish tails in there, maybe, I don't know, 1/4 pound. Let it cook. Just let it do its thing. All you got to do, let it do its thing. That's going to cook about 30 minutes. Holy moly. Boy, if you can smell this. God dang. Cook down, baby. I'm just going to let it cook down. These gloves are awesome. Well, look at that. It's been cooking about 20 minutes now. All right, now, 1/2 teaspoon, matter of fact, yeah, I'll put a whole teaspoon of sugar. It's up to you though, 1/2 or 1 whole. That's that little pack. And just let her cook. Damn, she tasting good now. Lord. Let me put the rest of my green onions in there. Ah, baby. I'm just gonna let her cook. I'm gonna lower the fire a little bit. Oh, you can hear them birds out there. Beautiful, beautiful gravy. Look at that. Oh man, the flavor. All right, I'm gonna put the rest of my shrimp in there. I only got about 10 or 15 minutes worth of cooking time left. So this will be just fine. The rest of my crawfish tails. Ooh, listen to that bird. Boy, they singing up a storm. Y'all ain't getting none of this now, little birds. You know, this little sanctuary I live on there, boy, this is something else. Look at that, huh? All right. All right, baby. Cut that rascal off. Got me a little rice in here. Here, look here. Hey, it's so good. This is Chef Bourque. I'm gonna talk with you later. Enjoy. I am. Oh, well, it's been a day. Good night, y'all.